Okay, in this video we're going to assemble the front panel of the Autobot. The parts we'll need, we have the range sensor. This is an ultrasonic distance sensor. We have two mounting screws, machine screws, 256 by 1/2 inch, corresponding nuts. We have the front panel. We have the front bumper, and the bumper needs a 3/4 inch 440 screw with a corresponding nut. And then finally we have a 4-pin jumper cable. So let's get started. This panel is marked top inside. Although the panel itself is symmetrical, it's nice to have the markings at the top and the inside to keep things consistent and help with orientation. So I want to put the bumper in from the outside. It's just a matter of lining up the holes, like so. This front bumper has a number of pieces that were pre-assembled, and I have a T-slot here, so I'm going to go ahead and put a nut in the T of the slot, insert the machine screw, and just screw it together. And this will hold that front bumper to the front panel. Doesn't have to be too tight. That's it. Okay, and now for the range sensor. This has a couple of hooks on it. Just fit right over the top, and you just line up the holes there. You can see the two holes. Go ahead and put the screws in from the front. You might need to actually screw these in if they don't fit, slide in right away. There we go. And then the nuts go in from the back. I'm going to tighten those up, not too tight. This is not a load-bearing part of the robot. The other side as well. Okay. And then finally, for the 4-pin connector, it's much easier to put it on now than when the robot is assembled. Each of the 4-pin connectors will have just random colored wires. It doesn't really matter which way it goes because you'll be able to see which wire is which by the designations on the front here, VCC and ground. So I can just put it any way I want. Just slide that in. And that's it. Front panel's done.